Imagine this for a moment. You're sitting comfortably in your chair, watching TV or reading a book. Suddenly, your feet start feeling cold. Your legs begin to tingle. And within seconds, it feels like thousands of tiny pins and needles are poking your skin. You try to move your feet, but they feel heavy. Almost numb. If this has ever happened to you, let me tell you something important. You are not alone. Millions of people, especially older adults, experience this exact problem every single day. That heavy feeling in your legs. That swelling around your feet. That annoying numbness or tingling. These are not random problems. They are signals from your body. Your body is trying to tell you that the blood circulation in your legs is slowing down. But here's the surprising part. What if I told you that there is a simple 1-minute daily movement that can dramatically improve blood flow to your legs? And the best part? You can do it right now sitting in your favorite chair. No gym. No running. No expensive medication. Just a simple natural movement that works like a pump to push blood back into your tired legs. This simple method can help you feel more energy, less pain, and relief from that constant numbness in your feet. In this video, we're going to uncover what's really happening inside your body, and I'll show you the simple technique that could transform your daily comfort. To understand this problem, let's think about your body like a plumbing system. Your arteries carry fresh, oxygen-rich blood from your heart down to your body. Your veins carry used blood back up to your heart and lungs. When we are young, this system works perfectly. The blood vessels are flexible, wide, and strong. But as we age, a few things start to change. First, the inner lining of our blood vessels begins to stiffen. A special molecule in the body called nitric oxide becomes less active. This molecule helps keep blood vessels relaxed and open. When nitric oxide levels drop, blood vessels become narrower. And this slows down blood flow. The second problem is gravity. Your heart easily pumps blood downward to your legs. But bringing that blood back up toward your heart is much harder. That's where your leg muscles come in. Every time you walk, your calf muscles squeeze the veins and push blood upward. Doctors call this the muscle pump. But when you sit for long periods, that pump stops working. Blood begins to pool in your lower legs and feet. That's when you feel swelling, heaviness, cold feet, tingling, or numbness. It's like a traffic jam happening inside your veins. Now let's talk about the simple 1-minute solution. This exercise is called the ankle rocker movement. And you can do it while sitting down. Step 1, the rocker movement. Sit comfortably in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Now lift your heels up while keeping your toes on the ground. Hold this position for 2 seconds. You should feel your calf muscles tightening. Then slowly lower your heels back down. Next, do the opposite. Keep your heels on the ground and lift your toes upward. Your feet will move back and forth like a rocking motion. This movement activates the calf muscle pump, pushing blood upward through your veins. Repeat this movement 10 to 15 times. Now let's add the second step. Step 2, the toe spread. Keep your feet flat on the floor. Now try to spread your toes apart as wide as possible. Hold that position for 5 seconds. Then squeeze your toes together tightly. Repeat this movement 5 to 10 times. This simple exercise improves circulation in the tiny blood vessels of your feet and also stimulates the nerves. Doing this exercise 3 times a day can dramatically improve blood flow. Morning, afternoon, and before bed. Just 1 minute each time. Movement is important. But what you eat also plays a huge role in blood circulation. Certain foods help your blood vessels stay healthy and flexible. One of the best foods for circulation is beets. Beets contain natural nitrates that your body converts into nitric oxide. This helps widen your blood vessels and improve blood flow. Next are leafy green vegetables. Foods like spinach, kale, and arugula support healthy circulation. Then we have vitamin C, which helps strengthen blood vessel walls. You can get vitamin C from oranges, lemons, bell peppers. Another powerful nutrient is omega-3 fatty acids. These are found in fatty fish like salmon. Omega-3 helps reduce inflammation in the body and supports healthy blood flow. And here's a surprising one. A spice that many people already have in their kitchen. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper contains a compound called capsaicin. Capsaicin helps stimulate circulation and improve blood vessel function. Even a small pinch added to meals can support better blood flow. Now let's combine everything into one easy daily routine. Morning. Start your day with a large glass of water. Then perform the ankle rocker exercise for 1 minute. This jumpstarts circulation in your legs. During the day, try to stand up and move around every hour. Even walking for 1 minute helps activate the muscle pump in your legs. Avoid crossing your legs while sitting. And keep drinking water throughout the day. Afternoon. When your energy starts to drop, repeat the 1-minute ankle rocker exercise. You can also practice 5 minutes of deep breathing, which helps circulation throughout your body. Evening. Soak your feet in warm water for 10 minutes. Warm water helps expand blood vessels and improve circulation. After that, sit comfortably and raise your legs slightly above heart level for about 15 minutes. This helps drain pooled blood from your legs. Before bed, do the ankle rocker exercise one more time. This keeps blood flowing properly during the night and may prevent leg cramps. Remember this. Numbness and tingling in your legs is not a life sentence. It's simply your body asking for movement and better circulation. And now you know the solution. Start small. Just 1 minute a day. With gentle, consistent care, your body can restore healthy circulation again. Imagine waking up without numb feet. Imagine sitting comfortably through a long movie without that irritating tingling sensation. That comfort is within your reach. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple health tips. And tell me in the comments, what will you try first? The ankle rocker exercise, beet juice, or deep breathing? I love reading your success stories.